She's getting ready for the video.
ईद मुबारक सभी को ईद मुबारक.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess it's the voice that stress of falling out of bed.
Hello everyone.
Eid Mubarak in advance.
Eid Mubarak in advance.
So
to whoever
today
is celebrating.
I have my sister with me. So we are going to do an Eid makeup look,
Yes.
which might help you.
Yes.
Some of you.
And we both are sisters, and we live in the same house, but we do not do our makeup the same way. We have different styles of doing our makeup.
Yes.
So maybe you'll get a rough idea of what you can do or what we will be doing. Yeah, most
Yes.
importantly that. Okay.
So we'll start now. We'll start doing
Yes.
our makeup now
Yes.
because it's going to be a long video.
We are going to sanitize our hands first. So the first thing I'm going to put on my face is this serum from Lotus, which is our mom's, and we stole it from her.
So tomorrow is the last rosa.
Yes. It's technically today.
Yes, because it's 1 a.m. right now.
Yes. Now I'm going to put this face oil, this plum face oil, to make my skin moisturized, because I like the wet TV look rather than a matte makeupy cakey look.
So I am the opposite. I don't like using oils and stuff. So I'll use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel.
You can use any oils. I have combination skin, so the T-zone is kind of oily, really dry cheeks. Like this part of my face is really dry, so I like using a good oil. Okay, so now both of us are going to use a primer. What is this primer? I don't have a primer. I'm going to
Use my
Udhar Mango Hers. This is a matte primer. I don't like matte
but I
products
love
on my face.
matte products because my
Yeah,
skin
but
is
I
too
don't have an
oily.
option.
Yes.
Yes.
So
I'm
we
just
are
going to use a little on my T-zone, on my nose and I think forehead.
so we have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer. So for the next step, we'll be using the foundation.
Yeah. Okay, so are you going to do a bold eye or a simple eye? Because I think I'll do something simple, because it might be hot. It is not hot now, it is very pleasant and it is raining, but we never know. It is me.
I don't know. I guess I'll do a bold look.
Yeah, I might do a soft look. So for that, I think I'll go with my concealer first. I don't know. I don't think I'll apply foundation. You are going to apply foundation, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Okay. Should I apply foundation
Yes, you should.
for the sake of this video?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then I'll apply foundation for the sake of this video. I have two shades here of the Maybelline Fit Me. I mixed these two to make my perfect shade, and this is in the shade 115 and 228, Ivory and Soft Tan.
So before I used to use the same but in the shade 310, but it's little bit dark now, so I'm going to use the shade 228. So this is our second time celebrating Eid in Guwahati.
No, I have celebrated Eid here a lot of times.
I don't like celebrating it here because
she doesn't get much Eid here.
that's true, but we always go to our native place.
Yeah, to our friends, to our family.
Yeah. and we are only 4 family members here, so it gets kind of boring
Yeah, it's fun there
because we have all our cousins and
yeah,
all.
a lot of people are there.
Yeah.
We go to everyone's place, they come to our place, but it won't be like that this year, of course,
Because of
of the
coronavirus.
whole COVID thing.
Of course.
So we decided not to go as well. Actually, I like using a beauty blender for foundation and concealers as well, but I don't want to dirty my beauty blender. I want to use it on the day of clean. No, it's not about being confused, but I don't want to go through the hassle of cleaning it again. So yeah, so now I'm going to put my concealer. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 and also the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Light. This is very close to my skin tone. This is actually matches my skin tone, and this is a little lighter. So I'll use this along with this under my eyes, and then I'll use this on the rest of the face, nose, forehead, blemishes and all that.
So I use the Maybelline, what was this, Fit Me concealer most of the times, but today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild concealer corrector.
We are putting makeup at 1 a.m. in the night. We have nowhere to go.
We don't even know if we will finish it before sharing.
Yes, I'm going to twist it to take it. Yeah, it's coming out. Can you see? It's coming out. So I'm going to apply it with my fingers. So now I'm going to blend in all of my concealer except for the ones under my eyes. I'm going to keep it. I'll let it dry and then blend it after a while. So then the coverage is more if we do that. But she does it differently.
Yeah, I do it differently. I'm blending it now.
Tell me something which most people don't know about you, won't know about you. Tell a fact about you.
About me, I'm quite tall. Most of the people don't know it.
Most people who know it, no.
Yeah, but most of the people don't know it.
On the internet.
Yeah,
Okay.
because they only see my pictures and not me in real life, because I'm quite antisocial.
Yeah, same here. Actually, I won't say I'm antisocial. I am an ambivert. I am really crazy mad with my friends, but I have a very hard time talking with strangers.
On the other hand, I'm quite an introvert person. I don't like talking.
But then
much.
she talks a lot nowadays.
I talk with my family and with my friends, but with unknown people I don't talk much.
I'm to do my eyebrows first before I blend in the concealer under my eyes. So we finally did our eyebrows.
Yeah, today.
They were wild.
Yes, and I'm quite happy about that. So now I will set my under eyes and then I'm going to do the eyebrows. So now I'll just set my under eye.
Eyebrows, such a tricky thing, my god. And on special occasions, eyebrows do not like to cooperate.
Our eyebrows look so nice after threading it.
Thanks to our parlor wali didi.
She came to our house and did it for us.
Yeah, she's so sweet. And yes, she was wearing mask and gloves and whatever necessary steps that should be taken. So I'm going to set my eyebrows with this eyebrow gel. Yes, eyebrow gel. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara plus Filling Fibers. Oh, I'm out full.
One very stupid memory which I have of Eid is, you remember when we were small, we used to visit our Dadi's place and there was a pond there and all of us, and there were frogs in that pond. Oh my god, yes, actually. Yeah, and my cousins and I, and she was also there, she was rather small. I was also small, I was in the 3rd or 4th standard maybe. Yeah, so what we used to do was, we used to throw stones on the frogs and we used to kill the frogs. Oh my god, I'm so sad. We used to catch dragonflies and tie thread in their tails so that we can use them as a tie. That is so bad. I don't remember this, but I'm sure we did this. Yes, we did this. Me and my cousin, who is the same age as mine. Ria, no? Yeah, we are going to miss you, Ria. We miss you, Ria. Miss Eid and everyone. But it's for the better, I think. We'll celebrate next Eid together. Hopefully. Inshallah, inshallah. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to blend in my concealer.
So now I'm going to dust off the loose powder, and then I'm going to apply the eyeshadow.
Why is my face looking so white? It is not actually looking white in the mirror.
Same here.
Yeah, there is something wrong with the lighting.
It's okay now.
It's fine. So now I am going to dust my under eyes and my T-zone with loose powder. I'm using the Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 light. Okay, I'm still thinking what to do. I think I'll use this Urban Decay this Wet n Wild palette, which I really like, and I'm going to use the warm shadows, of course, because I'm a warm girl.
Okay, so I'm going to use this soft palette by Makeup Revolution, and the colors are quite nice, as you can see. So I'm going to use
And also a lot of people told me that I look very off in the videos. In which
yes,
I'm
the second video which we made, the sister does my makeup
but my
challenge.
face is like that, and plus I am a little shy as a person. Like, I am not shy in front of family and friends. Of course, I won't be shy in front of family and friends, but I am shy in front of unknown people. Anyway, I'm going to use this this warm transition shade on my crease.
So I'm going to use this brown shade.
I had plans to buy a lot of makeup this Eid. I thought, I'll save money. I wanted to buy the Fenty lip gloss. They are so pretty. No, the lipsticks are awesome. Yes, the lipsticks are pretty, but I wanted the gloss. And I wanted, I have a lot of lipsticks, so I don't need anymore. I wanted a Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I wanted Colourpop lipsticks and eyeshadow palette. But sadly, because of the lockdown, we can order, but then I don't think so our parents will be happy. So we are decided not to order, because we don't know who carries what we don't know, right? So.
We are not makeup gurus, okay, people.
Yes.
Please don't judge us.
Please don't judge us,
We
because
are
we do
just-
our makeup the way we
are makeup lovers.
And we do our makeup the way we like it.
Yeah. So I'm going to take a more fluffier brush.
Did you see all the dust coming out?
Did it?
Yeah. I
No,
saw
I
it. No,
saw it.
I saw it.
Okay. So I'm going to blend. Blending is key. I blend a
So
lot.
now I'm going to use this dark maroon color for the outer corners.
I think I'll do like a sunsetty eyes. Should I?
Yeah, I was also
You-
thinking about it, but I'll do it differently. You can do
Then you do. I won't do. I'll do a simple eye with a smoked eyeliner. What do you say?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to take this dark orangey color and also put this in my crease. So now I'm going to take the lighter orange color, which is this one, and put it on the outer corners and slightly below my crease.
So now I'm going to take my Swiss Beauty palette, and it's in the shade 04, and I'm going to take this orange color for the what is this called, the fold
Crease.
crease.
Yeah.
So I'll use the orange color for the crease.
Yeah. So I'm also going to use this reddish color on my crease from the soft palette which Jency used. Now, whatever we have done on our eyelids, I'm going to do the same on my lower lash line. So, I'm going to put this first, then I'm going to put this dark orange color, then this light orange color, and then this red color. So, Yeah, so now on my eyelids I'm going to put this brown color, this brown shade.
So, can you tell me something about your hobby? What do you like to do during your free times?
I like watching shows,
Yes.
Netflix and chill, and Amazon Prime and whatever else, whatever other portal there is. Also, I like to cook.
I also like watching Netflix and drawing. Yes, I like drawing. I like painting.
So now I'm going to put this brown kajal on my waterline.
And now I'm going to take, oh, not this one. I'm going to take another Swiss Beauty palette, number 05, and I'm going to take this shimmery shade. I'm going to take this color, which is a champagne or shimmery color, and I'm going to put it on my lips.
Okay, I'm going to go with a black kajal as my eyeliner, and I'm going to smudge it after I line my eyes. So you see what I do.
So since the shimmer part is done, now I'm going to blend the colors all together.
So I've done the same thing on both my eyes. So now I'm going to put a little of the brown eyeshadow over the black eyeliner.
So I'm blending the colors right now.
Yeah, you've changed the lighting again.
Now I'll take the same brush and I'll just
Yeah.
put a little eyeshadow on my waterline.
Yeah, so I'm almost done with my eyes, so I'm going to do my face now.
We always make funny faces while doing our makeup.
Yes, it is a given. I'm going to put bronzer. I have this bronzer, my one and only bronzer, which is the L'Oreal Glam Bronze in Harmony Rose. So now see, there is dimension to my face now that I've put. So now I'm going to contour my nose. I love contouring my nose because then it looks smaller because I have a very big nose.
So I'll take the same champagne shimmer color and I'll just take a little and put it in the inner of my waterline.
So I love orangey and peachy blushes. What colors do you like for blush? And also nude colors.
I like peachy and nude colors.
Yeah,
I'm not a hot pink type of person.
I'm done bronzing my face and contouring my nose. Now I'm going to put blush. So for blush, I am going to use this lipstick from MAC in So Short. This color is very nice. I'm going to tap the brush and I'm also going to put it on my nose because I love blush on my nose. It looks so cute,
Here,
no?
I also like blush on my nose. I was not a blush type of a person, but when I started using blush, I was like,
Yeah, every person who is not a blush type of a person, when they start using blush, they become blush person. I was always a blush person. I love pinky rosy cheeks. So my face is done. The only thing I have left is highlight and finishing my eyes. To finish my eyes, I am going to curl my lashes and apply mascara.
so now I'm going to put eyeliner.
So I'm going to put the Maybelline Colossal one first and then the Lash Paradise.
So my eyeliner is done. So now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild color icon Mellow Wine in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm going to put it
with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in Molten Gold. It is very nice.
So now I'm going to take my highlighter, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow, and I'm going to do my highlight. Wow. So I'm going to take my highlighter now, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone.
Yes, even I'm going to highlight. I'm using the Sof highlighter palette. I'm thinking which color to use. I think I'll use this color. This one. The baked one. Okay, now I'm going to
So
put
my
lipstick.
makeup is done. Yes, I'm also going to put my lipstick.
Yeah, I'm going to put eyeliner. You didn't bring lipstick.
No, I bought. I thought we are going to put the same lipstick, which is the nude one.
No, I'm not going
Because
to put
we
nude
always
one.
use this one.
Yes, I am going to line with this lip liner which I stole from my mom.
Yes, and I'm going to use my lipstick, which is the Maybelline Nude Nuance. And now I'm going to top it with another lipstick, which is the Subtle
Yeah,
Mauve.
so she doesn't use lip liner. I use
Yes,
lip
I
liner.
don't use lip liner.
So I have applied this lip liner.
So I'm almost done.
I am going to apply
Oh, I
this
forgot to-
Colourpop lipstick in Frick and Frack, but very little. I'm going to just dot it and blend it with my fingers.
I forgot to put mascara, so I'll put mascara now.
I love Colourpop liquid lipsticks in the ultra satin kind. I haven't used the
Glossy one.
matte ones, but I've heard the glossy ones are really good as well. I'm sure they are. So this is my lip color. I think I'll go over with the Nykaa Royal Honey. This is Royal Honey. Yes, Royal Honey. Yeah, I think it is not that bad. We are looking very much Eid ready.
So we are done, and I have done a sunsetty type of eyeshadow look.
And I have done smoky eye, which looks very Eid-like. No?
Yeah.
White kurta and
Yeah, smoky
dark eyes
yeah.
and silver jewelry.
Look, now we are glowing.
Yeah, we are knowing.
It looks
Like
really
this
nice.
photo.
Yeah.
I love glowy skin.
I
I don't
also-
like matte skin. But
Korean skins are. Did you see? Korean
yeah,
skin is
their
like-
skin is like glass. But yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. We are happy with whatever.
Yes, and that is what matters. We should be happy with what we have. So that is it. for
So
today.
yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And
I hope you liked it.
yes, and if you have liked it, then do click the like button and subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. And
Eid-
also Eid
yeah,
Mubarak
Eid
in
Mubarak.
advance. Yes. Eid Mubarak to whoever is celebrating
Yeah.
across the globe. Bye.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess it's the voice, the stress of falling out of bed.